Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you to easily complete the 3 curry bread with no flour quest in Heartopia. So this guide is especially helpful for new players since this quest can appear as a daily quest or maybe weekly quest during the limited time events. Like for example, in this Call of Wheels event, like this, get you may get these quests at the next weeks. And then to complete this quest, actually it's very easy. First, just go to your house and then just start cooking any recipe. Just tap on your stove. For example, in here, I will make a blueberry jam, but honestly, any recipe will work. And then next, just keep cooking repeatedly until you see a special notifications that appear at the top of your screen. Like it will say something like meal with no flour like that or similar cooking notifications. And then as soon as that notifications appear, the quest will automatically be complete and you can claim your rewards right away. And in here you don't need any special ingredients or specific recipe. Just keep cooking until the notification shows up. And one quick tip, if your cooking hobby level is still low, the notifications may take a little longer to appear. So just try leveling your cooking skill to at least level 2 or 3 to make the process much easier. Like this. From that level you will get this bread no flour skill like this. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!